Good morning, students. Take out your books, GK, and class 4th I am teaching. First and second chapter we already finished, and in this page number, second chapter, this 5 page number, I give you some homeworks. So here I given you all the correct answer. If you write the wrong answers, so you check out your answers and write all the correct answers from my book. Okay, now let's start chapter 3. Chapter 3, the name is chapter 3, International Organization. International means not only in our world, not in our country, all over the world these organizations work. So this means international organizations. There are some international organizations that have been set up to deal with issues that concern the world in general rather than the interest of the individual. All this organization works some issues concern the world in general rather than the interest of the individual, which means sometimes there are some issues that are related to our country, okay, and also other countries in the world. So those organizations who solve these matters are international organization. So now you understand the meaning of international organization. Now match the following organizations in column 1 with the city in which their headquarters are situated in column 2. Here are given two columns, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 and column 2. So here in column 1 there are given some organizations name, and column 2 here are given the countries name and their cities name. So here are given this organizations name, these organizations in which country they belong and in which country they work. This type of is given here. First is United Nations Organization, UN. Means we have to match their organization names to their own countries and cities name. So first one, this organization UN, this organization in which country? D. Answer is D. New York, US. Okay, so you write here number. After that you write in your copy. Now number second, National Monetary Fund. Short form of this, IMF. So this organizations belong in Washington DC, US. Means Washington DC, US. This country belongs this organization. So answer is G number. 3 number, International Court of Justice. So answer is J, The Hague, Netherlands. Now number 4, Food and Agriculture Organization. This answer is H, Rome, Italy. Number 5, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Answer is B, Jakarta, Indonesia. 6, International Cricket International Cricket Council, ICC. 6 answer is A, Dubai, UAE. 7, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Matching is K. Brussels, Belgium. Now 8. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Answer is E. Vienna, Austria. Okay, Austria. Now number 9. World Intellectual Property Organization. 9th matching is F. Geneva, Switzerland. 10. International Olympic Committee. 10th matching is C. Lausanne, Switzerland. 11. Commonwealth of Nations. Matching is I. London, UK. Okay, so this chapter is over and you have to correct all the correct answers. Match them and write in your copy, and after that you learn. Okay. Now let's come on chapter 4. Chapter 4, countries and continents. Means countries, I think you know, many countries are in our world, and continents are not many. They are only 7. How many continents are there? 7. There are 7 continents in all over the world. Name: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. So here is given a map and you have to read this, all the names in this map. Now A number, place the countries in the boxes under the correct continents. Means here are given some countries names. So, and here are given all the there are 7 continents, but here are given only 6 continents name. So in all the continents names, under that you have to write here their countries names, and you have to find out the answer from this box. Okay, now so first I will give you the answers. After that you can write by yourself. So first is Asia. In Asia continent, which countries are coming? India and Cambodia. So you have to write here these 2 names, India and Cambodia. Now number 2, Africa. Africa continent. So which countries are coming here? Ghana and Egypt. See, these 2 countries, Ghana, are coming in this continent. Means Africa continent belongs Ghana and Egypt countries. Now number 3, North America. North America comes which countries? Canada and Haiti. Canada and Haiti, these countries come in North America. Now number 4th, South America. South America is a continent. In this South America continent, the countries Colombia and Peru, these countries are come in this continent. Now number 5, Europe. In Europe, Georgia and Austria, these 2 countries name are, you have to write here in under Europe. Now number 6, Australia. Australia, Papua New Guinea and New Zealand. These 2 countries you have to write under Australia. Okay, now I will explain you, and after that you have to write the correct answer in this places. Now turn the page. Question number B. Choose the correct answers. So here are given some sentences and their options. Three options they gave. and we have to find out the correct answer and put tick in front of that answer. So I will explain you, and after that you can write. Now only you can write. First is the largest country in South America. Here are given 3 names. So Peru, B Uruguay and C Brazil. So correct answer is Brazil. Now number 2, the smallest country in Asia continent. Jordan, India and Maldives. Correct answer is Maldives. Number 3, the most populous city in Australian continent. Sydney, Melbourne, Perth. So first is Sydney is the correct answer. In which continent will you go to visit Greece, Italy and Spain? Europe, B Asia, C Australia. Correct answer is Europe. Which is the warmest? Asia, B Africa, C South America. The answer is Africa. So you have to put here tick. C, the coldest and windiest place on the earth. Antarctica, Australia, Asia. So correct answer is Antarctica. So you have to put here tick. Now question number C. Take the correct answer and cross out the incorrect one. Now this you have to write by yourself. Okay now, and write all this, find out the answers right or wrong by yourself, and after that I will give you the correct answers. So this is your homework. You have to